What's going on, stackers? How are you doing? You all good? Hope you're having a good week. I know I am. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at 5 online jobs that pay through PayPal. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start generating some moolah from your home. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income from your laptop from home, then click that link just there, that one down right there, and I'll send you my #1 recommendation. So, 5 online jobs that pay directly through PayPal. The first one we're going to be looking at is abbletype. So you can get there by going to abbletype.com, or I'll leave a link for all these websites in the description below, so it's that little bit easier for you to go and check out. So what do abbletype actually do? Well, they offer services such as transcriptionists, proofreaders and translators. So if you think that's the kind of work you are looking for, then come through and apply. It is really easy. So some of the benefits of working with abbletype are: all you need is a computer, headphones, a good internet connection, and at least a few hours of peace and quiet each day. You can work on your own schedule. So with abbletype, you can work on the days and during the times you choose, which is a bonus. That's why we all turn to the internet, because we want to have a business or work on our own schedule. So you can get paid weekly. So abbletype pays weekly via PayPal for all work completed, regular as clockwork. Our work week starts each Sunday evening Eastern Time and ends the following Sunday afternoon. We send you a report of what we owe you the following Wednesday and fund PayPal the day after that. So if you think that you want to come and do some transcriptionists, some proofreading or stuff like that, then come through, come to the bottom, have a little read, and you can apply just here. So that's the first online job that pays through PayPal. The second one is verbleo. So verbleo.com. I think that's how you say it anyway. Now, as far as I know, verbleo, that's it, verbleo. Verbleo used to be called Blog Mutt. Now they hire freelance writers. So if you are a freelance writer, then this could be perfect for you. So if we just scroll down a little bit, do you have what it takes? So verbleo writers are talented, detail-orientated, professional content creators. So in order to apply, you'll need to have impeccable grammar. So I couldn't apply for this because my grammar is shocking. Strong research skills, show-stopping content with... I can't even talk today. What is wrong with me? So, show-stopping content writing chops. It's a bit weird to say. And understanding of modern content marketing and SEO. A professional and collaborative communication style. 18 years of life under your belt. It's a weird way of saying that you have to be 18 years or over. And a US citizenship and a valid social security number. So does that sound like you? If it does, you can come through and apply for verbleo. So you just find a job. They have 1,300 clients across 14 different industries. Industries? I told you, I can't even talk today. Industries. Then do your research, create content that delights, gain access to more jobs, build client relationships and get paid. So when customers purchase your content, we make sure you get paid, invoiced weekly, or save up for that vacation. With no minimum or maximum invoice, you control your success. So this is a really good one. If you're interested in this, again, this is going to be in the description down below, so go through and check it out. Now, the third one. Now, this one is called, let's just go there, this is clickworker.com. So what does a click worker do? We're always looking for people from anywhere in the world who enjoy writing, translating, researching and data processing. Clickworker provides digital tasks to interested workers. We call them click workers. Click workers are freelancers who utilize our workspace platform. As a click worker, you earn money working completely independently on your own schedule from any personal computer with internet connection. So again, this is more of a freelancing website. So if you're good at writing or anything like that, Clickworker could be for you. So if we scroll down, the Clickworker advantage. So the tasks here at Clickworker are smaller and can be done separately. We refer to these as micro jobs. Depending on qualifications, speed, practice and concentration, you can earn well over $10 per hour. On average, we expect that a click worker earns $9 per hour. Now, each click worker decides when, where and how much she or he works. Since many micro jobs can be completed in just seconds, you can stop and start at any time. Because of this flexibility, click workers can work anytime, anywhere. So this is another great one if you want to get paid through PayPal and you have some skills such as translating, researching and data processing. Now, one thing I just want to go over quick, if I can just find it. Where was it? So what payment options do I have? So the standard method is payment to a verified PayPal account. This occurs once a week between Wednesday and Friday, provided the necessary requirements are fulfilled. Alternatively, click workers from states that belong to the SEPA single euro payments area can also have their payments credited to a bank account once a month. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know about that as well. Now, the fourth one we are going to be looking at for getting paid through PayPal is gig walkers. So you want to become a gig walker. Whether you're looking for a little spending money or want to earn an entire extra paycheck, GigWalk can help. Work when and where you want to. You can even start making money today. So what is GigWalker? So have you ever heard of Field Agent? Well, that's an application where you can get paid for doing little tasks in your local area. Well, GigWalker is essentially the same. You can do these tasks around your local area all through the app and you get paid for doing so. So to get started, all you have to do is download the app, register your GigWalk account, link your PayPal account to get paid, and find and complete gigs in your area. So you can apply for gigs through the map or gig list. After being accepted, follow the gig instructions and submit your work directly in the app. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see the benefits. So flexible work schedule. Whether you just need to make a few extra bucks or want something more, with GigWalk you choose when and how much you want to work. So someone's put, it's literally work where you want, when you want. It's at my fingertips. It's really easy. If you like discovering cool new places, if you like having some extra cash in your pocket, I'd say GigWalk is for you. So as we can scroll down, you can see, choose the gigs that interest you. You can pick gigs that take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours, or based on how much you want to make. So you can make $3 to $100 or more just by doing these little gigs. So simple reporting, quick and easy payment. So GigWalk links to PayPal. So once your job is finished and approved, the money is sent directly to your personal account. Real simple, really easy. If you want to check this one out, again, this is going to be in the links in the description down below. So the last one we're going to be taking a look at is Humanatic, or Humanatic? Yeah, Humanatic. So with Humanatic, you review calls and get paid. So listen to a recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button and earn real money. This is really easy to do. You don't actually have to call or speak to anyone on the phone because all the phone calls you are listening to have been already recorded. So what is Humanatic? Have you ever called a company and heard the operator say, "This is being recorded"? Well, that's them. This is what Humanatic do. Then all you have to do is listen to that recording. So it's really, really simple. So why should you join Humanatic? Well, because of the freedom. Like all these I've just shown you, you can create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you choose. Now, when you first start, you are given access to the easiest categories of calls. As you advance, you will unlock new categories, which will provide more opportunities to earn more money. So like I said, this one is really simple to do. If you want to check this out as well, it's going to be in the description so you can go through and check it out. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.